In this video, I'll guide you through how to hide participants in Google Meet so you can focus on the presenter only. This is especially helpful if you're trying to concentrate on a presentation, a lecture, or a screen share without being distracted by everyone's video tiles. Let's start with the basic idea. In Google Meet, you can't literally remove people from the call, but you can control how they appear on your screen. The easiest way to do this is by changing your layout to what's called Spotlight. Spotlight layout lets you focus on one person or one shared screen, and it minimizes everyone else. First, make sure you're already in a Google Meet meeting. You need to be within the meeting itself to adjust the layout. Once you've joined, look toward the bottom of your screen. You should see the meeting controls bar with options like microphone, camera, and leave call. On that bar, or sometimes slightly above it, depending on your device, you'll see an option labeled More Options, usually shown as 3 vertical dots. Click on that. This opens a small menu with several settings you can change while you're in the meeting. From this menu, look for the option called Change Layout. Go ahead and select that. When you do, a layout panel will pop up, showing different ways you can arrange video tiles on your screen. Common layouts include Auto, Tiled, Sidebar, and Spotlight. To hide other participants and keep your attention on just one video, choose the Spotlight layout. Click on Spotlight to select it. Once Spotlight is active, Google Meet will highlight a single video feed or the shared screen, making it the main focus on your display. Now here's how Spotlight behaves. By default, it usually focuses on whoever is presenting, such as someone sharing their screen or using the present feature. If no one is presenting, it may focus on the active speaker. Either way, other participants' videos will be minimized and you won't see a grid of everyone at once. This gives you a cleaner, less distracting view. If you want to focus on a specific presenter, make sure that person is actually presenting or sharing their screen. When they do, their content should automatically become the main view in Spotlight mode. You'll still know that other people are in the meeting, but their tiles won't dominate your screen. If at any point you want to go back to seeing more participants, you can open the same Change Layout menu again and switch to another layout like Tiled or Sidebar. Tiled is great when you want to see everyone, and Sidebar is useful if you want the speaker or presentation big with a strip of other participants along the side. A quick tip: if the presenter's video or screen still doesn't fill most of your view, hover over their tile and look for a pin icon. Pinning that tile will lock it as your main view, and when combined with Spotlight layout, it really helps eliminate visual clutter. That's all you need to do. By changing your layout to Spotlight while you're in the meeting, you can effectively hide other participants and keep your focus on the presenter only.